Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Peter Gardner and this is Gardenering. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm reviewing projects which I worked on during 2020, projects which didn't make it into their own videos. What I'm going to do is review what the project was, show you how it turned out, and then talk to you about how you can get more information about how you can do it yourself. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Here we go. Another project that I made that I'm pretty proud of, but haven't been able to get the video together, is the Perry the Platypus. Perry the Platypus is like it's like a sock monkey, but he's in platypus form. Quack quack. That's not what platypuses say, Perry. I call them sock-billed platypuses or platypi. I'm not sure which is appropriate. And then I also have this one, who I gave angry eyes. He's Perry in work mode, I guess. And I have a cute little hat for him, but that has disappeared into the depths of my basement over the period of COVID. Now we've come to the review section of our video. I'm going to talk about whether or not I thought the project was fun, whether it was successful, how much time it took me to do it, and where you can get the instructions to do it yourself. I think the project was a lot of fun. I think it was really successful as well. Perry looks great, and I think it's the sort of toy that any Phineas and Ferb fan would really like to have. So in that regards, I'm all in. I mean, it's my project, and of course I like it because I did it. But I also think objectively it's pretty cool. This project is not the easiest project that I've done so far. I think it's probably set for someone who's about 12 years old or older with intermediate to advanced sewing skills. It's also a longer project. It took me about 3 hours to do. I know not everybody has that amount of time to commit to a project, and it'll be especially hard for little kids, especially without parental advice. I do think that little kids could do it with parental help, but it's a long afternoon to make. So keep that in mind when you're working on it. In terms of how you can get the instructions, what I have done is I have put these instructions for free on my web store. So you'll need to have an account and you'll be able to buy the instructions for free. I will add other instructions to this section of my web store as they become available. Good luck with the project. This video has come to an end. But before I go, I would like to ask that you consider hitting the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I know you have a choice in how you spend your time, and I deeply appreciate that you chose to spend some of it here with me. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to me.